Hi, guy, mate. This is Mikael here, and I just want to tell you that I'll be releasing the Queensland videos, the Queensland trip videos, Queensland Cairns. Okay, I'm not prepared. I just want to tell you guys that I'm gonna be releasing the videos of our trip in Queensland, in Cairns, and in Daintree Forest. I'll be releasing 15, 14. I don't know how. I'm not yet done editing. I'm just gonna release them this February. Supposed to release them tomorrow, but it's gonna be a bit of delay because I still have some things to sort. But anyway, I'll be releasing the videos maybe once or twice a week, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, please do share it over, and also visit my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, or share it to anyone if you enjoy it. That's if you enjoy it only. And yeah, I need your support now because the thing is, I'm gonna go try to raise my subscribers on YouTube, and I'm gonna do more videos this time. So yeah, I'm gonna need your help. Please do support me. In return, I'll be posting out good videos, awesome trips, tutorials, anything that I could come up with. I'm just gonna release some videos online, and yeah, and also just enjoy the ride, enjoy the trips.